Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and it's Tuesday, May 27th. Now, I want to look at this stock. Like, this thing has been just trading pornography, really. This is what we did. Hopefully you're a member and you know this already, but if you're not a Stock Market Mentor member, you would have known this, that this back here was the enthusiasm high. Okay, so this was really where you wanted to be looking at this as an opportunity to be buying. Forget about this stuff down here. That's a totally different trade. But the idea is that when a stock comes public and then at some point it will print an obvious high where the last of the retail buying came in, and that was this. It was totally obvious. Not here. This thing could have gone up forever. But when it falls to here, and then it doesn't come back up the very next day, now you got to look back and say, okay, the high was 64.62. I don't know why I have 64.64 there, but I probably just got lazy. But that high is 64.62. So what I want to do is, you can trade around this if you want to, but my IPO strategy is, okay, the next buy signal is when it surpasses this high that it hit when everybody was all hyped up on CoreWeave. And then once it goes back above there, that's when you want to buy the stock. So yeah, there's all kinds of volatile trades here, but the next trade was really not here, right there. This was when the stock, look at the volume here. So the stock pops up here to 68. You got to look at this and say, wait, high volume move. Golly gee, only 25 million shares traded. I guess there's some institutions trading that. They kind of got all they could get down here. Now they're just buying the stock and they don't care who knows it. And then the stock starts moving and it just keeps going. So this was actually the trade, like right about here. And so we've got a lot of members who have made some serious bank. I mean, the stock's up more than 85% from the last entry. And my suggestion to them is you ride this thing until it bucks you off. Try to be selling a little bit of the position into strength, but hold it. Like, don't just say, oh, that was a good trade, because I think this stock could go up to 150 in this short squeeze that it's in. But you just use progressive stops, like put a stop on some or all, whatever, of your position below today's intraday low. And that would be about 12.5%, which is a huge, massive gap between where the stock is now and where you would sell. But given the volatility of the stock, it's kind of like the nearest you can put it. So anyway, that's all I've got for this. And by the way, one other thing here, you can go here. You'll see the domain name Mentor Trading Mastery. I'm teaching this on Saturday and Sunday, and then also Saturday and Sunday, and then also on Monday in a free course. And so I'll show you this thing again, but we're going to do live trading on Monday and probably do some 59-minute trades. I like to always try to make good money in the live training session, if for no other reason than it gets you back your tuition. But then I'm also doing an extra one. It's probably already filled by the time you're seeing this, but I'm doing an extra session on Thursday. It's going to be smaller because I want it to be a dedicated, smaller group of traders who are really interested. They really want to go deep into this stuff, and because of that, I can't work with everybody. So that'll be Thursday. Anyway, so this is something that if you want to make an investment as opposed to just buy some stuff like, oh, I want to buy this workshop, don't come for that. But if you want to make an investment in your trading results, hack your time so you're making more for less effort and time, I really do truly think that this is a course that you should definitely do. We haven't changed this yet, but I've mentioned in emails, and so I'll tell you this right now. This is $17.95. That stuff's going to end tomorrow night at midnight. I'm just keeping it open a little bit longer to accommodate for people that are gone on Memorial Day and they're just getting back. So tomorrow at midnight Eastern, price goes from $1,800 not to $2,000. I've put in so much more than I had initially planned on. The price is going to go essentially from 1,800 up to 2,200. And I really mean that. This isn't a sales pitch. I'm raising the price to $2,200. So you can either get in now at the lower price, or simply wait and manage your risk and say, well, I want to hear from other people, see whether they like the course or not. And if they do, then I don't mind paying $400 extra. Oh, I know. I'll just email and ask for a deal. Don't insult my intelligence. Don't. It's $2,200. So, and for a lot of people, paying an extra $400 in exchange for certainty, like I want to know if people got a lot out of it, that's actually a good trade. So I'm not sitting here pounding the table saying, you got to buy, you got to buy. I'm just laying it out for you, and then you can figure that out for yourself. So anyway, that's all I got for you. And hope you guys are doing well. We got a raging bull market, lots of stuff going on, but I know that you're going to do well in the future. Just keep on managing that risk. If you're not a member, you get a free trial. I think it's $7, but to me, that's free. It's basically a small Starbucks at this point. Okay, so definitely check it out. It's worth your while. If you like it, awesome. If you don't, it's okay. Nothing personal. All right, that's all I got. I will see you all next time.